Okay. Wala, Wesley, go there. Not in the TV. Not sa TV, ha? Dito ka lang yung copy kasi yan. What did you say? You wanna run? Where are you gonna run? You can't run here, okay? No running inside the house. We can go to the water park. Let's go to water park. No?
It'll stay here.
How about you, Wesley? You wanna come with me?
Okay. Me.
You wanna come? Okay, Kuya's wants to stay here, man. Why, man, Kuya William?
Because.
Hmm?
Do you like Parain house? You say Parain house is clean.
Andyan sa Wes?
I think you don't like Parain house is clean.
Nakalimutan ko pala, guys. Ay, nang labaman. Guday ko gahapon, eh. Kailangan ko pa. Wala, eh, kalimutan nun. Sige ko. Okay. Nalagay ko na sa washer yung mga clothes. Hindi ko nalagay sa dryer. Mga gamit ko namin, guys. Ng mga bata. Ah.
Where to put it? Santa Mouse?
Huh?
Where is sitting down? When sitting in a little chair. And when put it down in the ground? Look over now.
Ito, damit ko po ito. Saan mo i-eat, kuya? Ha?
Maybe noodles. Like noodles.
Cereal?
Noodles.
Cereal na lang ka.
What are those?
That's noodles. You can have that later for dinner. Cereal lang ka. Ha? Ang laki-laki na ni William, guys. Patingnan mo nga yung muscle niya, oh. Marami you have new clothes, man, William.
No.
Yes.
I do?
Yes, you didn't see it lang.
Mommy, and I want the pink jeans. The pink jeans. Mommy, I'm not pink jeans.
William is dancing, guys. Look.
Mommy,
It's recording.
Are you done? Okay.
Oh, yes.
Ding ding. Is that ding ding dong ding ding? Mine. She wouldn't mind.
Okay, that's the big one.
Get the bigger one.
How about you, Elan? Do you want to eat watermelon?
No.
Okay.
No, what's the
No, thank you, Mommy.
It's like really cold.
Is it yummy? You know what, guys? I don't eat watermelon. But my kids love it. I don't eat that because it tastes like there's a salt inside. It's weird, huh?
You like salt.
I like salt, but I don't like the taste. I tried it, but diligent. Maluwa na ako. My favorite is pineapple.
Ah.
No, it's strong to si Wilon ba?
Look at me.
Look at Wilon, guys. Oh, so strong.
I have a muscle.
Nasaan yung muscle? Ipakita sila, ipakita nila. Wala na. After that, William, you wash your face, okay? And brush your teeth.
Mommy.
Good job, William. You love it? Yes,
I
Mommy.
don't like a seed.
Yeah.
I don't like a seed.
There's no seed in that. Oh, just a little bit of seed, but that's okay. It's excited sa kuan, water park. Si William, guys, ayaw niyang sumama. Bakit man, William? Pero pag magbili kami ng shoes, babalikan namin siya. Di ba, William? Ano naman ka makuyog?
I don't know.
I don't know.
No.
Dako naman gawin.
No.
Big boy na good ka, William. Ikaw na dyan mo protect na mo. Tanan. Mag-protect ka, di ba, Mami? Ha? Thank you.
I like watermelon.
I know that. Next week, ato kasi mo daddy, okay?
Okay.
Bella's gonna be here next week.
She is?
Hindi siya sumama ng 2 weeks siguro. You didn't go there for 2 weeks. Ano man?
I don't know.
Pero wala naman yung issue, ha? Kung hindi siya sumama kasi parang gusto din no, baby.
Easy, I broke it.
Na may kasama dito. Gusto din ni Erica na may kasama dito. Pero this week, is pupunta siya sa kanyang daddy.
Mommy, I'm done. I'm done, Mommy. I'm done, Mommy. I'm done, Mommy. I'm done. Look what you only did.
Wala.
I'm done, Mommy. 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 I'm done.
A few moments later.
Hello, everyone. Asa man ani may butang? Baliktad na. Baliktad. Ano, inita, Wilon na eh. Baliktad, Wilon. Nandito na kami, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan si Wesley. Oh, Wilon! Ayan si Wesley boy. Maganda dito kasi meron siyang park and meron ding water fountain. Waylon, baliktad mo sleeper na. Take it off. Hi, Wes. Inga, Wesley. Tell Waylon, iyang sleeper baliktad. Tell Waylon to take it off. Come on. May put your slipper here.
Backward, Melon.
Yeah, baliktad. Arrange your slipper. No, that's enough. No. It's okay now. You can go now without slipper. Be careful and no running. No, you can go without slipper, boy. You can go without slipper. Ala, I forgot to put sunscreen. Sunscreen. Oh, this one ba? Ano yun lang? Because
Mommy. It's hot. Mommy, it's hot. My feet can't get hot. Okay, but my feet. I will do my feet. It's hot. My feet is hot. My feet is hot. My feet is hot.
baby, your back. I need to run your back. I know.
Oh, wait on face.
Oh.
Face.
You got them in the window.
Look at your weather. Don't lie, Mommy. Go
In
now.
my face. With your face. Yes. Ayaw, di hasil ng mata. Kiri ba? Hey, ali, bebe. Call Wayland ko. Call Wayland. I'm gonna put Dako lang. Ana, be, ana. Put Wayland here.
Okay.
Tara, ah. Hey, put. Ibutang siya mo face. Come on. Hingamay. Hinay lang. Pikas.
Up.
Here.
Go up.
Pikas here. Thank you. Be, sa likod, be. Hindi talaga sumama si William, guys. Ay. Enjoy ang summer nila. Wala akong nakitang ganito sa Nashville. No. I. Don't do that, Ben. Go na sa water. No, stay here. Where are you going? That's baliktad. Tell him it's baliktad. Tell him. Waylon, it's balik. Ayaw, dagan, be.
Mommy, I'm good then.
Ayaw, be. Mataka ka na. La. Ah. Waylon, be careful. Go, Waylon. I was thinking. You're so strong, Wesley boy. Napaisa. Ay, wait. No. He's so proud.
Look, Mommy.
Careful, guys. Yeah. Waylon, be careful, way. Yeah, good job. Sige na, ato na mo sa water. Ali, naari mo sa water, ali. Natawa man ako sa mga batang to. Wesley! Si Willow nasa ubos, tinas taas. Mataga ka, be. Get down, be. Na-enjoy talaga sila sa tubig, guys. After nito, mag-nap kami. And then after nap, pupunta kami sa mall. Look at them, guys. Did you have fun, boys?
Yeah.
Yeah, how was it?
And again, never a ball.
Yeah.
And we give a ball back.
Ikaw, eh?
And we go home now.
Yeah, let's go home because it's gonna rain. See, it's gonna rain, guys.
That isn't darker. Look at the sky, guys. It's black.
Look at that, guys. Wesley said, look at the sky, guys.
The sky is black today.
Yeah.
And a rain can come. A rain can come. A rain can come in 5 minutes.
Sige. How did you know that? How did you know that, Wes?
What?
That the rain's coming in 5 minutes.
I know.
You know? At least, guys, na-enjoy sila. Kumusta ka ngayon si William Boy? Ala ka! And then after this, we're gonna go home and mag-mall kami later kasi bibilhan ko sila ng shoes. Ang init. Napagod ko.
Mommy, didn't it go? They're so hot.
I know, hold on. So, see you there, guys. Bye-bye.
Mommy's hot.
Hi, guys. So, nasa bahay na kami.
Because we eat.
Yeah. And then, pagka-uwi namin, pinakain ko sila. Tapos, nag-popsicle na kasi...
And then cola in the car.
Tinawagan na kami ni William. So, anyway, guys. Si William nasa taas. So, kumain na sila.
Mommy.
And, ayan, pinakain ko muna ng popsicle. Tapos, mag-nap na kami. You can eat that later. Come on. Then, let's go upstairs na. I have headache. Ang sakit-sakit ng ulo ko. Ewan ko kasi hindi ako kumain kanina. Nag-ano lang ako. Ano lang yung kinain. Ay, nag-Milo lang pala ako. Tapos, on the way home, nag-coffee. Gikabuhi ko daman. Gores na gaga. So, yun lang. See you later. I was planning to go sa mall, pero kauwan nun, manggod. Ayan, tingnan niyo yung langit. Nagluto si Erica ng ulam. So, ayun, pagkadating namin, kumain na kami. Mamayang, hapunan, magluto ako ng isda, pinirito, guys. Ang dami ko pala nabili last time. Matawag mong wilong. Lipe ba siya? Ayan. Kaya mo sila itong pinapay. Luha. Tulo. Wait for mommy. Wait for mommy. I'm almost done. So, ito yung isda. Ala ka. Ito pala yung mga isda, guys, na nabili ko. Ayan. Prituhin ko to mamaya. Wait! So, mag-nap po na kami ng mga bata. Yan, pagising. Ayan, magluluto na. let's go guys. Let's go na. Mag-nap na tayo. Mag-nap na kami pala. Bye-bye. See you later. Hi guys.
Hey.
Say hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Aliwas. Na-shock sila guys kasi wala daw cars ang ano. Alina.
Pardon. We have to wait.
Oh, Wesley, wait up, baby.
Okay, we can go.
Hello, Wesley, hold mommy.
Oh, mommy's hand here.
Magunsa ta sa mall, Wes.
Behave. And get happy.
Narali, be, dire, be, oh. William, dire, be. Wala, hi, Wilon.
Hey.
Magunsa ta sa mall?
Behave and get happy.
Magbehave ka para maka... Wesley, William, dire na side. Magbehave ka para maka...
Get happy.
Get of ice cream.
And we're gonna get shoes. I want to walk myself.
Okay.
I want to walk myself.
But no running, okay?
And pull it. For mommy.
So,
Yeah, they're waiting for Waylon.
guys, grabe kami nga silang mall ay murag kami ra jud ang naga kuan diri gasaba-saba.
It's so
Daghan kay sale ba?
it's so quiet.
I know, right?
Yeah, come on, can we go upstairs?
Wala upstairs.
Is it?
Wala.
What?
Ah, daghan kay sale oh.
How is there not? How is it?
No, wa jud kataw-taw. Mani gawas sa kuan department store nila.
How about going? How about?
You like that one, Wes?
Huh?
You like that one? Skechers?
Yeah.
Huh?
That's good.
Or this one? Oh, this one is so nice.
I like that one. These ones. I like that one more. So what about this one?
This one?
Yeah, I like that one more.
Okay, let's go look there.
What about these ones? Nice.
Huh?
I need a bigger size.
Okay, what size gani ka?
5.5.
Say 5
Or
and a
5.
half.
5.5 or 5.
How about this? Kini din na.
No.
Or kani oh. Nice food ni William.
No.
Hello guys.
Hello guys. We're in the store. We're in the mall today.
Mm.
And then we come here for shoes. Yeah, guys.
Ah.
But what's this? What's this for? Okay, this is Can I see?
That's Wesley's shoes.
Can I see your shoes, Layla?
Where's your shoes, Way? Ate Erica wants to see it.
Wow! You listen to Mama now. You say thank you to Mama.
For na mong mommy.
Thank you to guys na. Ano ba di mo apilay shoes? Emily siya, Mami poor. Hello, wow man kayo nagsapatos. Oy, mura man.
Asa mo adto?
Sir?
And then wait for this one.
Can I see?
Ah?
Ay, guni niya ma?
I have this one. Try this one.
Dako-dako gamay.
Nicely, oh.
Then the other one.
Look, wow. Ito ko ng shoes. Uy, ako ng shoes ng bata. Uy,
Dang, that's something.
Di. Wesley.
This is my shoes.
Ah, be pakita dami, be pakita sa Ate Erica.
sana all. Uy, ito naman na ako niya.
Dako lagi niya tiil buyag.
I think that fits me. Mundo ko man.
Number 5 ni.
And then the other one.
Giduha-duha na nako kay ting klase man.
And then this one.
Alam mo, Maria, sa imong shoes ni Ate Erica ay tiil.
Fits me, ah.
Feel na ko, ay magbaro sa Ate Erica na pag mag-jogging.
Ay, Natagsa yun dahil ni William, guys. Kaya kita mo mga anak, mag-walking.
Ala, ang isa kay Kate Erica na lang daw na. Okay, rani mo?
Ang babae, ma?
Naa.
Ako din
Pero mas nindot.
sila, Brayden at
Pero may mas nindot og kuan. Ang mga panglalaki nindot na katong dito sa magatuan karon.
Dude, mommy.
Okay, hold on. Pero ang pambabae mas nindot pa to tong giatuan last time.
I spent my juice.
Pagdagan ka mapilian. Pero pangilahang pang shoes ingan na.
Palitan dito na po sila, Michael.
Oh, hapit na. Nganong baliktad mo na ilon?
Sana all.
And this is my other shoes.
Yeah, that's so nice, William boy.
It's white.
Mm.
Hey, May, you make it gold. This one.
Yes.
Green and gold. Like green.
You like green? O, dili na ka nag-glue? Say thank you, Ate Erica. Tanawa si Wesley. Away lo, nakahipa. Baliktad man, away. Baliktad. Mm. Ibutan na sa box. Balik na. Kaya ito, ako na i-arrange.
And the bend. Oh,
Nindot, good Waylon. Wesley, ali, Wesley. Oh, you sure? You like your shoes, no? Okay, you sure? Next time, I'm gonna get you a bottle, okay? Okay, mommy. La, nice ni mo shoes. Let's go.
We love this cup. We love this cup. And then mine. We love this cup so much. We love this cup. Beautiful.
Beautiful?
Daddy, buy it for me.
Okay.
My dad.
Pakita daw sila. Hala, nindot tabi. Ganahan ka? Ha? Ganahan na ka? Ka na ready na kami school? Ayaw jump. Ready na kami school?
What do you need to do?
Ano? Ii?
What do?
Ayan guys, nagluto ako ng isdang pinarito. Pinaritong isda pala. Anong oras na? Mga 9 na di ay. Pero nagkaon na si Wayway. What do you mean, Wes? Hi, Emily! Lagi tikon daw kanya, Emily.
When? And say hi.
Bagong-ligo na siya ba?
And say hi. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hey.
Na, I love you, Emily.
No. Hi.
Lula. Miss, I'm so happy.
What are you happy for?
Because I got you shoes, guys. Ikaw? Oh, I'm happy. Are you happy too? William? Ikaw, William, happy ba ka?
Yeah.
Sa mong shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you ready to go to school na, guys?
Dad?
Huh?
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't want to go to school.
Are you sure? Why?
Because
You know what? You can have that tablet for now because walay school. Pero pag na school, you can only have that on the weekend.
what?
Yes.
Up.
Guys, may TV kami dito. Yung TV sa bahay, dinala ko na. Sila may naunang. So, kakatapos lang namin kumain. Tapos na din ako maghugas. And hindi sa baba. So, ano siya? Namin sa taas kay maligo. Maligo namin sa mga bata. Niliguan ko yung mga bata. At saka after maligo din ako kasi wala pa ako ligo. So anyway, airbed pa pala yung ginamit nga namin ngayon para higaan. Kasi, kailangan ko pa bumili ng mattress, guys. Mattress and bed frame. Pag ano, 2 silduhan pa. 2 weeks pa. Isang week. Sa isang sweldo ko sa isang week is ano, bili ako ng bed frame. Sa next sahod ko, bibili na naman ako ng mattress. So, yun. Kaya gusto ko mag-extra, guys. Sinabihan ko na yung manager ko na mag-extra ako ng work. Monday. Kasi weekend naman ako nag-work. Kaya sabi ko sa manager ko, can I work ka ng Monday? Kaya off naman si Tom. Then sabi niya, okay lang daw. Kasi wala naman din yung problema. Diyan si Wesley at saka si Waylon. Or si William or si Waylon. Dito lang ako sa loob. Ay sa baba. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and follow my Facebook page. Bye bye.